Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable quick scope on the Call of Duty mobile game. So let's get started right away. In order to enable the quick scope settings, first of all open up the Call of Duty game on your device, and once it is fully loaded, log into your account using your Facebook or your Call of Duty account. After logging in, you will be taken to the main menu, from which you can find the gear icon at the top right corner. Tap on this gear icon and then tap on the control settings, and now you will be able to find the simple as well as the advanced mode option. In order to enable quick scope, you will need to select advanced mode, so tap on this and make sure that one tap ADS is enabled. You can also use the hip fire settings, but this will not enable the quick scope option for your game. After tapping on one tap ADS, make sure that this mode is selected for all of your desired game modes. You can tap on the Battle Royale as well as the Zombies mode and make sure one tap ADS is turned on. And now you can go back to the main menu and start enjoying your game, and you will notice that whenever you tap on the shoot button at the right side, the quick scope will be enabled automatically. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to enable quick scope on the Call of Duty game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.